Did you
2025?
Did you fix your stuff yet?
Not really.
Oh boy.
I'll give him a call tomorrow because I still need to figure out about my phone. I still think that's messed up, but you know.
Dealing with that company.
Gone bad mouthing, so I can rat you out and get a credit.
I don't have nothing to do with that. You have a pet. No, thank you.
She was talking about your services.
No, thank you. I might need employment there, so I'm gonna be quiet. You have a pet. Your pet responds to events. It's a she. What? When she hears something, a hear event is triggered. To have your pet respond to a hear event, use a handler function. Oh, okay. Sure. Your pet should respond with pet say. Okay. What should my pet say? I have to give it a message. Like what's one word you would make the pet say?
Meow.
It's a bird though.
Meow.
Alright. Okay, so my pet's gonna say meow.
It's a bird cat.
Bird cat. You know what's funny though? So at the end of the code, like, okay, so at the beginning it told me to put in what my pet would say. And so this other function tells the pet to speak when it hears something.
Mm-hmm.
And then to talk to your pet, I was supposed to say like Hello Kitty or something like that. So that's funny. Aww. I said Hello Kitty. It said meow. It's a whole bird.
Won't he do it?
That's funny. Friend and foe. Oh, that's an interesting board. Rally the troops.